Riselaser Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional, national high-tech enterprise engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine, and laser cutting machine, and other OEM, ODM laser products total solutions. Riselaser's products is widely used in jewelry and mold repair, metal processing, hardware, model making, advertising, printing, packaging, and other industries. Riselaser is located at Shenzhen City, a high-tech and energetic metropolis with convenient transportation access. Riselaser's company tenets is customer and quality first. Each of our machine is equipped with fully described introduction and user instruction videos to give the best product's understanding to our customer. Free online training with remote control software like TeamViewer and free video training are provided after sales to make sure each of Riselaser's customer is satisfied with our product's quality and service. In addition, Riselaser has obtained several state-owned patents and certificates like FDA and CE. Riselaser's laser machines were well sold in more than 50 countries and regions such as South Korea, Japan, Thailand, Indonesia, Germany, Spain, Portugal, Poland, Brazil, Chile, and Argentina. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, Riselaser has had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Riselaser warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for mutual success.